Hey guys, it's your girl, the Great Tay. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I am going to show you guys how I cornrow my own hair. So I started off with applying my Jamaican castor oil to my hair and to my scalp. So at this point, I'm just parting my hair in two sections just to get some of the hair out of the way. I promise you guys, I'm going to try my best to be as detailed as possible. Okay, but you guys have to promise me that you're gonna also pay very close attention. So I've completed one cornrow off camera, and that's what it looks like. And now I am gonna part the second row, and this is now where I'm gonna be doing my second cornrow. Right now I am just showing you what my hairline looks like, and I start off by grabbing at least three very small parts of my hairline, and then I just use my fingers to keep grabbing the hair as I proceed to pulling towards the back. But you don't want to pull too hard when you're going towards the back, because you don't want to be pulling your edges, right? Because our edges, edges are life right now. So, and then you just take your time and you just keep repeating the same steps pretty much. There is not much to explain. You guys will just have to observe, and I tried my best to zoom in so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So you guys just need to watch and see, and let me know if you tried this, and let me know how it turned out for you. Also, let me know if there's another way how you may cornrow your own hair. I don't know if there's another way. This is how I do it, and it works perfectly for me. Okay. And I'm just doing the area at the back. I mean, my parts are not perfect because I can't see, at the back of my head. I tried my best to, get the parts to be as straight as possible. But for me, this style, it's a protective style. So I'm not going to be wearing my hair out like this. I put my wig on over this, so it doesn't really matter to me if the part is straight or not. So this is what it looks like, you guys. And now we're gonna be doing the next cornrow, and it's just pretty repetitive. We're gonna be doing the same thing again. And also, you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, show your girl some love, and also let me see you guys in the comment section below. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if this is something that you've tried before. Let me know if this is something that you've already mastered, or let me know if this is something you're gonna be trying. I want to know how it turned out for you. And don't forget, you guys, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new contents. And like this video, it really does help my channel to grow. So like this video if you like this video. So you guys, I'm gonna just let you continue to watch what I'm doing. As I said before, it's pretty repetitive, so I would suggest that you watch the video until the end to see exactly how I got the cornrows done and what it looks like in the end. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
tell me who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Who's gonna love you like I do? Who's gonna touch you like I do? Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Touch you like I do. Who's gonna love you like I do tonight, tonight? Touch you like I do.